Officer, thank you for giving me opportunity to present my implementation here. My name is Hasnain Haider and I am a recent graduate in software engineering from Karakoram International University here in Gilgit, Pakistan. For this task, I have built a microservice-based collaborative editing system just like Google Docs. I also use Java as a backend server and Java's framework, which is Spring Boot. And I have used PostgreSQL as a database, and I have implemented a fully RESTful APIs as a API gateway. And now I will work you through the system architecture and demonstrate the real-time editing services. In short, the one version control system, how the version control system works. Let me start you showing you the project structure. So here we have the project structure. We have four microservices here. First one is API gateway, and second one is document editing service, microservice, and third one is user management service, and fourth one is version control service. And I also use React JavaScript for front end, which is the most popular front-end framework from the recent of JavaScript. So here we have open the four terminals to run each backend microservice. Like uh, we we run we run API gateways microservice here. Uh, API gateway gateway and we will use the mvn spring boot run command to run each. I will copy this command, so I will run each service by using this command. We will run here document editing service cd document editing service, and also here we will run the user management service, user management service, and run I will run the last one, which is version control service cd version control control service, and also we will open one more terminal for front end to run the front end service cd we will run the front end in pm dev command, and uh, the as you can see, the development server is running in 51734. So we will just open this. Just open this. So here is the basic UI for the document editing system. Uh, so here we have the main page, and I will log out from here. Here is the simple login UI, which user can enter his username and password to log in his account, and also user will create account from here by entering his first name, last name, user password, email, and other to create new password. Let's create a new user name as present present user present user present user gmail.com and admin and we create the account from here. Uh, So this user don't have any documents created yet. Uh, uh, if you want to create a document, just enter the title here, name as present document document, and also here this is new document. Um, User will be able to open this switch to auto save, and also he will be able to share this document with other, and also he will be able to invite others to collaborate here, and also he will be able to create the versions, and also here a button to save his documents, like I am saving this document right now. We have one document, and this is the document. Uh, if user want to share his document with other user, so how we can share? uh, he will share from here. When he tap on share and okay, the link is already copied. We will open another server to open another account, like I will open this account and open the port 5713 port here, and I have already logged in here. I will log out and open this account. I already created this one. So if the user want to collaborate, just paste the link, copy it link here, and press enter. Then this user have access to uh, this document, this present user document, and this user have access to this document. Like I will write live editing. I will show live editing here. This is edited by Hasnain. The live editing showing here. I didn't focus the UI. It's little bit. So we will create a version from here. Create a version. Okay. So the next, this is Hasnain Haider, and the document was this user. I collaborate this user to editing, and if I check the history, we this user have shown the that created by Hasnain Haider, and this is the version. And this is he will be able to see the name and created date and the description, and he will be able to reword the version also, and he will be able to do something else, like I will show you here. I already created a note for testing. So the user will be able to sort the documents by using his updated address and using his updated date and using his title, and also he will be able to search documents here. Like I will search new document, he will be see new document here. Okay, so now let me show you the actual code behind this. Like we have document, we have API gateway service. API gateway service is responsible for exposing all the services. Like we have document editing service which is running in 8083 port, and we have user management service which is running in 8082 port, and we have version control service which is running in 8084 port. And so all these services are running in their own port. But actually the API gateway services, API gateway service is actually exporting all the ports to one port. Like I will show you here. Here is 8083 port for document editing and version control for 8084, and also other ports are exporting here through API gateway service. And here we manage calls through front end, like we have 8082 for user management and document editing for 8083, and 8083 for document editing and version control for 8084. Actually, the UI is linked with these APIs, and any user don't be able to create anything from front end uh, by using these API endpoints. He will be able to create the calls. API gateway will be responsible to distribute it in all microservices. And as you can see the version control system, if we check the version control system have different controllers and models and repositories. If we open the models, like we have each model for database, like document version, we have this model for database. Model is actually for creating database. Like if we can see in version control, we have document ID, uh, uh, version number, and text, and created add, and text. um, and also we have the user contribution model here. User contribution model has the ID and document ID, user ID, and change count, and etc. And if I show you these tables in my database, here I will open the database and version control, and we have uh, document versions in table side. We have version control here. If we see this in database document version, we have these documents are created by using this model document version model. And if we can see like that user contribution model and user contribution database, we can see these tables in this user contribution model. These these databases are come from these these models. We have different versions here. This is created recently by me, uh, and this is stored in this database by using this version control. By using this document version model, this is a document version. And if I show you in user management, we have models in user management, like this user, and the user have id, username, email, and password, first name and last name. These are optional, and these are required parameters. So this is the user model here, and this user model is for sign up and sign in. And if I show you, we already discussed API, document, user management. And if I show you home.xml, all these services have their own home.xml file, and pom.xml file, and pom.xml file is responsible for every dependency we would be adding. It automatically download the dependencies by itself by using a single run mount command. After all, I will go through you with my GitHub. I already uploaded it in my GitHub. So let me open my GitHub and show you the project in my GitHub. Uh, like this is my GitHub repository. This is the source code of the repository, and I also create a good README file for anyone who want to run this system in their own personal PC. So that's all.